Hi guys! So welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel, and for this vlog guys is very special sa amin kasi 7th birthday ni Aiden bukas, and tulog na silang lahat, ako na lang yung gising, and magpapak ako or magra-wrap ako ng gift ni Aiden for tomorrow na bubuksan niya. So guys, hindi na nga kami maghahanda, punta na lang kami sa SM. And doon kami magse-celebrate. Jollibee, magki-kids zone na siya. And, ayun. Depende kung saan naman kami mag-merienda before kami umuwi. So, ngayong gabi guys is magbabalot ako ng gift niya. So, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo guys kung ano ba tong mga i-wrap kong gift niya. So, ito guys, ito yung chess. Wait lang. So, eto, tuturuan siya ni daddy nito. Actually, hindi ko alam maglaro ng ganito. So, si daddy lang magtuturo sa kanya. And then, next is the Scrabble. So, yan, medyo brainy itong games na to. And, dapat kasama niya kami pag i-games to. Ito guys is binili ng kapatid ko para sa kanya. So, sabi niya i-wrap ko daw. Tapos, yung gift namin para sa kanya naman bukas is siguro sa SM na lang siya mamimili. So, i-wrap muna natin siya guys. Kunin ko yung wrapper. Finish yung wrapper. So, dalawang klase siya. Blue and white. Yung pagkasyahin na lang natin, medyo malaki itong box.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be
Okay guys, so tapos na akong mag-wrap ng gift. So, ito na yung final result. Ito yung sa chess, and ito yung sa Scrabble. So, bubuksan niya yan pag-uwi namin galing SM. Ito yung surprise namin sa kanya ng gabi.
Ay, Dayan, you stand up here, oh. Oh, wow. You put more. Put more. Wow! Nih, buat dia pilih itu muna.
Buat ka na ang bubog yun.
Ano yung libag mo dyan eh? Makita naman yun.
Yeah, eh. Okay.
Picture kayo ng guys. Hi then! Okay, yung blow yung cake muna. Okay.
Oh, you sit down.
Okay. Okay, you blow your cake muna, ha? Wow! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you. Here we go. Nothing. Here we go.
Ayun na, Ali.
Nalilagyan kami nung muna.
Happy birthday song!
Thanks.
Happy birthday song.
Ang tao.
I love
Sige,
it.
sige.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Clap your hands! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Sige.
Okay, blow your candle!
Oh.
Yay! Now, open yeah, you can open your gift.
Okay, now open this. Okay, I'm gonna open.
Ay, wait lang. Ama, nag-glow.
Oh my goodness. What is this, Daddy?
I don't know.
Let's find out. Why open inside? Let's open it.
Okay, can you tell hello guys?
Hello guys, we're opening the present. Let's
Yeah.
use the scissors.
Yeah.
No, it's good.
What's that?
What's this?
Oh, it's a Scrabble.
Scrabble.
Yeah, it's a Scrabble.
And this is my briefcase.
That's your briefcase?
Yeah.
Gonna be
Now we can open it from this last
Yeah, you go
one.
there. There. Come on. This way.
Right? Oh my goodness, it's a briefcase.
You open the other one. Yeah,
Can I open the briefcase?
The other one. That is 1 million.
Open the briefcase. It's time to use it. Yeah. Here.
Sige.
You have to play that with Daddy. Daddy will teach you how to play that one. Mali ka na.
What's this?
I don't
What's this, Daddy?
know.
Let's find out.
Surprise.
What? What?
Where's the scissors?
Scissors.
Yeah, where's the scissors?
This one. Eh, matikol na ata na eh.
What's this? Trying to use the scissors. Trying to use the scissors.
Hindi, bagang nilaw. Atakit mo.
Okay, time to see.
Are you happy?
One. Close your eyes. One. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. One.
What? This is another briefcase.
Yeah.
Open it.
One.
Okay, you have to play.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Play
One,
with...
two, three.
Yeah.
What is this?
Daddy will teach you how to play that.
What?
And this one also, a lot of letters.
Letters.
But that one muna.
Oh.
This one is for this.
Did you know how to play chess?
Okay, let's take a picture.
Yeah.
So guys, nag-start na silang mag
Next is
play
the
ng
letter
Scrabble. You have to put it here, anak ko. A word. Okay, okay.
I need to find letter H.
Okay. There's more here. Mhm.
Where?
Ito yung una niyang binuksan yung Scrabble. Yan yung gusto niya.